I'm Ed Dodak with Bandit Industries. I'm the Midwest Large Equipment Sales Manager. The Arjes 950, we can do concrete, asphalt, scrap metal. We can do whole cars, stumps, logs, chunk wood, a variety of any type of waste material. It's very good in demolition. You can tear down a house. It's the most versatile slow-speed shredder in the market. The machine is 770 horsepower Volvo engine in it, and we have 2 drives on there. There's 200,000 foot-pounds on each drive, so you have 400,000 foot-pounds of torque. The machine is on tracks, or you can get it on rubber tire. And one thing unique about this machine is you can open and close the side doors, the combs, so it's almost like a screen, if you will. Like if you open them up, you're going to get a lot more production. If you keep them closed, you can size your product to what your needs are. We have a magnet that's up top, so as the material's coming off, it separates. The magnet pulls the steel off, and then any of the trash will come out into a separate pile. On the job site today, we are doing white goods, and that's a variety of washer dryers, stoves, freezers, refrigerators, water heaters, lawnmowers, and you name it. And then we're also doing whole cars. And what we're trying to do is 8 to 10 inch minus product that's clean, and that the scrap buyers like to have it that size. As far as production with the 950 and whole cars, we can do about 25 to 30 ton an hour. And then in the white goods, we're going to do about 20 to 40 ton an hour, depending on how small you want to make it. The larger it is, the more production. The smaller you want to make it, the less production.